Yeah, I'm ready. Light down from a cloud. Breathe and exhale and smoke from the nostrils of God. Let it out like a stomping foot on the rock. All the pain and the crashing light. I said, babe, yeah, your lightning strike. Breathe in that lightning strike through the nostrils of God. Inhale the clouds of thunder with your heart and soul. Let it rain and wash away the dishes in the bowl. Yeah, breathe in the light down and exhale the thunder. Breathe the lightning and exhale all of the thunder. Take a breath and let the crashing of memory of what it used to be with the Lord. He walked as a man. He walked strong and walked tall in the sand. So walk with the thunder and breathe in.